the new update from YouTube made it possible to get your community tab on every channel on YouTube, even if you don't have any subscribers or something like that. As you remember, recently it was possible to get it only if you have maybe 500 subscribers or even 1000, but now it's easier, it's much easier. So to get it, you just need to be sure in one thing. So to check it, we just need to click on your icon in the corner and then go to YouTube Studio right up here. Go to settings, and here we need to find the channel button. Click on it. And now go to feature eligibility and make sure that all of these buttons are green, all of them are enabled. So if it's not, click on it and just check what do you have to do to make it green. So if it is like here on my channel, you need just wait for a few maybe days or even weeks to get it. It's not that hard. It's just a new update, and not all channels will get it at the same time. Some of them already got it and some of them will get it in the future. So just wait and don't try to find some reasons you don't have it.